Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. User profile is important to enhance communication and workflow across the law enforcement agency. Through VIDIZMO DEM's customized user profile feature, you can supplement default user profile properties with additional properties to track key information that is not otherwise available. In this video, we will be looking at managing and editing user profile in VIDIZMO DEM. From the upper right corner under the username, you will see multiple options to customize and edit your profile under the My Profile tab. VIDIZMO DEM gives you an option to change the preferred language. To cater to a diversified audience, VIDIZMO DEM allows configuring different languages on the user level. Through this option, users can change the language of the portal as per their convenience and need. By the way, a user can only change the language if multiple languages are enabled within the portal. In the case of Auto Detect, the default language will remain as per your set browser settings. The next section is for Profile. Under this tab, you can see the basic details of your profile like your name, email, city, country, assigned role, and the groups you are a part of within the portal. To edit any detail, click on an Edit Profile tab on the upper right corner. To add or change your profile picture, click on the profile icon. Select a suitable profile picture and click on Select File to upload your profile picture. Click on the Upload button. You can edit your first name and last name. By the way, you cannot change first name, last name, and email address if you are accessing VIDIZMO through Azure Active Directory. Additionally, you can also select the list of subscriptions to which you wish to receive email notifications by clicking on checked boxes under Email Subscription. After Profile, VIDIZMO DEM gives you an option to change your password. To change the password, users are required to have a valid and registered email address with VIDIZMO. If you are using SSO to access VIDIZMO, you will not have permission to change password. Click on Change Password and follow the instructions. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.